everyone. Today I will discuss about how to make a AutoCAD floor plan, or you can say architectural floor plan. And today I will show you how you draw a layout of architectural plan and some basic things of AutoCAD tools that you need to apply to make an AutoCAD floor plan. So before starting the floor plan, I need to show you something about that. So basic things that you need to know how to operate AutoCAD for making your good floor plan. And nowadays many floor plans are making with modernization, and it's vary from country to country. So you need to apply everything based on your region or where you are living. Just follow your rules and regulations. I just show you the common basic things you need to apply for making a good modern architectural floor plan. So let's see what the basic things you need to know. How to make AutoCAD floor plan, and you need to know some basic things. First one is basic AutoCAD tools. You need to know very basic tools for AutoCAD to draw a floor plan. AutoCAD have many tools, but you don't know every tools, and you no need to apply every tools for making an AutoCAD floor plan. I will show how many tools or which tools are very much necessary for making your floor plan. Second one is a plan concept based on plan. You need to visualize. You need to think about the concept based on your land that you need to make a floor plan. Otherwise, you cannot move your AutoCAD floor plan. You need to rearrange, or you need to think conceptually or visually how will be your floor plan look like. Third one is owner requirements. You need to follow the owner requirements, that how the owner wanted to access his or her internal rooms, kitchens, the dinings, and etc. Then you need to apply or follow the authority rules and regulations. In which country you are making the floor plan, you need to follow the rules and regulation of that country. So you need to know must the rules. Fifth one is a authority approval with related drawings. You need to apply the rules and regulations of that authority to approval your drawing or floor plan with related drawings. It means in a floor plan it's just a AutoCAD drawing, and but you need to arrange more drawings like structural drawing, electric drawing, MEP drawing, plumbing drawing, HVAC. Many drawings are needed for the authority approval. So if you make a floor plan but this is not comply with the rules and regulation of authority, then you just make a floor plan but not effective for the approval or authority. So you must know that things that you are doing for your floor plan. So those are very basic things I just share with you. So today I just show you that how you will make a AutoCAD floor plan very easily by applying some basic tools with AutoCAD. So let's start it. Here you can see my AutoCAD interface. So here you can see the already I have made a modern AutoCAD floor plan. Here you can see this is a floor plan layout. Here is a one garage, bedroom. Here is a corridor. Here is a bedroom attached toilet. You can see the facilities, or you can see this is only one unit or only one dwelling where many facilities are given. So this is a modern floor plan I have made for a client of USA. I just removed the all regulations from my layout because I just want to show you how to draw a floor plan. So here you can see the living room. Here you can see the kitchen. Here you can see the master bed with the cabinet and walk-in closet. Here you can see this toilet. This is already a sunroom, or you can say this is the sunroom, and this is dining room, and this is a guest room, and this is a toilet with tub. So this is a floor plan I shown you. So I want to make you understand that how many tools or how many tools are you need to use to make a floor plan. So I need to tell you that some basic tools I just applied for the making floor plan, so you can also apply those. AutoCAD have many tools, but you don't know every tools, because of those are not needed for every plan. So for this floor plan you need to know some basic tools. Here you can see this is a line, right? So I just click my mouse left button and just select this line. Here is a line. You can see here is a line. I just click my left button and here you can see the line. So when you start one click, then it will start, and when you click a second click, then it will close first line. Then if I want to discontinue, then you can use your mouse right button and just enter. You can use the shortcut tools with your AutoCAD, but because of basic things I just make you understand with the interface. I'm not applying any shortcut tools in here. I will show you the from screen, right? Okay, so you can see here is a one line, and here you can see another line. This is construction line, which is mean construction line. You can right or left button on your screen and just click, then you can see it's a construction line. It's a huge, very big line. It means this is a construction line, and enter. This is a construction line and second enter, then it's already done. This is a construction line. So you can see the difference between construction line and line. Here is another one. This is polyline, right? So I just click on my left button in my mouse, then I select the polyline and click another one, and just moving my mouse, then you can see this is a line. But here is a difference with a line with polyline. When I second click, then you can see here is another line is taking. Okay, then I third click and I just clicking on the face, then you can see, okay, here is the difference between line and polyline. Polyline means this is the this is have a one line is considering with the total line, and this is the individual line you are seeing will taking every click on the mouse. It is individual line. So if I go here, then you can see this is only one liner selecting by clicking with my mouse, right? And here is total line are clicking with all line. So this is the difference between polyline and only line. So it will be effective for making a floor plan. I will show where you need to do that. Okay, then we have some tools you need to apply. Here is a measurement line or liner. You can see I can measurement or line those lines that with this measurement line, right? So here is a liner. You can see the liner. So you need to, if you want to know the distance or length of this distance, then you should select the left button of this liner and click on your object, then go the distance in point and click another one. You can see the liner, so that you can see here the distance you are seeing. Okay, so I don't want to make a long course on that. I just want to make you a basic things. So here is the liner. Here is another tool that you are seeing. It's a copying. It means if you want to copy those things, then you need to click, you need to select your object that you want to copy, then just select a copy and a reference where you need to copy this object. Then if you want to copy from there, then just click on that and move your mouse for where you want to copy this object, then just click here. Then you have seen that I just copy one object. You can use the shortcuts tool, but I don't want to show you shortcut tools in here because this is a very common or basic things I need to show you from my interface. Then one tool here is mirror. A mirror means you can mirror your objects from one side to other side. That will be very effective. I will show you the in my floor plan. Then you have another one. This is offset line. Offset lines will be very important. Just if you want to offset that, if I want to move or create another line distance from 10 feet or 12 feet from this point, that you need to select the object and click the offset. Then you need to enter the distance that I want to offset it 5 feet. Then you have right to 5, then the feet, and enter. Then click the side that where you want to offset this item, that you have seen that this is offsetting from this distance to 5 feet. So this is the offset you need to see from there. Okay, here is the other effective tools that move. If you want to move this object, then just click the object and click the move button from by left side. Then you can move the item from another to another. Here you can see the other things that one is straight moving and just horizontally and vertically. No angular or no inclined. That if you want to make a horizontal and only vertically, then just click F8. And if you want to move the incline with x6 and y-axis, then just click F8. Then it will remove. And F8 is horizontal, only horizontal and vertically. Remove F8, it will be inclined or any direction. From here you can also that things. If you remove the earth, here you can see the earth, that will be okay, and F8 it also will be okay. Then okay. So here is another thing you can see is the rotate. It means if you want to move this object, then you need to rotate. Okay, here is another thing. You can see the trim or extend. Trim means if you want to cut a object, then you can use trim, and if you want to extend any object, then you can need to extend. Here is other tools you need to apply. It's a layer isolate. If I want to visualize only one layer, and that I need to use this layer isolate and layer unisolate. Here is another thing that if I want to undo something, that I can do from here. This is undo button, and this is match button, right? I will show you the match button. If you want to match the colors or layers with any object to other object, then you need to apply the match tools. Here is another important tools is, if you want to delete something, you can just select the object and just click your keyboard delete, or you can just click delete the key button, and if you want to undo, that's just click the undo, and if you want to also from your interface, that will be erase, and that will be undo. Okay, so I think we just learn our basic things, so we can go our layout, that we can see where we can do that. So you can see there, here is a floor plan, and this is our outer wall. You can say this is brick wall. This is our outer or peripheral wall. Here is the window for every wall, that you can see the shape of the window we have made, and the shape of the brick we have made. So how we made this window, can we see this is window with this we made this with our line and with our offset tools and with our polyline tools, right? So we can see these tools are very much effective to make any things in AutoCAD. So I can show you the floor plan with that our outer side floor plan. You can see the brick. If I want to see the distance of this brick wall, outer side brick wall, so I can see from this liner. If I want to click the liner and click the object, the starting point and the measurement ending point, then I will see the distance is 7.5 inches, right? And if I want to see the length of the window, then I can use my liner tools, then I can see the 3 feet of the window, right? So this is the tools we are using, and you can see here is a bed. It's also have done with lines, and I want to just show you only one things that how we can make this one. Okay, so if I want to make a brick wall, then I am going to line and take a measurement. If I want to do this one, so if I want to this wall, I want to do with my AutoCAD, so I am just taking the total distance is 10 feet, right? So I am doing this one, taking 10 feet distance. Here you can see the 10 feet. Okay, so another thing was that my wall width was 7.5 inches, so I need to make a offset. As I told you that if I want to make a same object is on in a certain distance, then I can make offset. Okay, then I want to make a offset from here. You can see the offset. Yes, offset 7.5 inch. So I need to write 7.5 inches. Click, or you can use the enter or space bar or mouse click button and click here. Then you can see here already done a offset, right? So if I want to close those path, so I am getting a flavor of wall, right? It's the 7.5 inch. Okay, here I have done with the line. We can write down or make it with polyline. It will be very much easy. Let's see what with the polyline. So here is the one polyline I have just made. I have 10 feet length, so it's gone 10 feet, and in below I have 7.5 inches. So here is 7.5 inches, and you can see the it's a very much fast from the line. You have seen the difference between line and polyline. So we can use this polyline to make our work easy. Okay, then we need to make a wall clear. You have seen here is a one clearance from the face of the wall, and so we need to. So here is one problem, that if you want to move one line and another line need to be fixed, so you need to make the liner from one line. But if I want to make a 1 inch offset, then my all the wall will be offset equally. Okay, then we can undo our previous one, right? Okay, you can see here our line. So you can see here is the one offset from this line to this line. So we want to make this offset. Go to offset, and we are giving 1 inch here. Just make an offset and giving 1 inch here. Okay, then you can see you can give the 1 inch offset also here. This offset, this offset. Okay, right, now you can see the those are extended from 1 inches, so I need to remove those. So I need to select those, and you have seen a trim, then a trim, then click a trim, and if I those cut, then you can see this is a cutting. So if you want to cut, then you want to select the total object and go through the trim, then the object will be very much clear. You can see the tools we applied. Then you can make the wall as our wall looking, right? Okay, thank you so much. So we are made this floor plan very much effective. And if I want to copy this wall to another wall, then you just select the all object and go for copy button and make a copy. Easy. So this is our very much tools. Then you can move the tools by tools is moving. Okay, so here you can see this we have a window here. So how we can shift this window on this wall? Then you can see here is a window, and we have a move tool. Then just click the move button, and we have a center point are taking. Then you click the center button, and we have a center of the wall, just place on it. So you can see the problem is, if you just put the window on the wall, the line of the wall is overlapping with the window line. So you just need to take your trim, right? So go for trim, just click on the line that will be go for here. You can see it's very much easy, right? Then you are just clearing your all the overlapping lines from the window. Okay, then you have seen that here is another problem that we are facing. Here is a hatch. We are saying that hatch, this is called hatch, hatch in our wall. So how you can give this hatch? When we clear all the overlapping lines of wall, then we can apply the hatches to our wall. So if you want to hatch any object, then you need to close the all path to make an hatch. So I need to close all path with polyline, right? If you have seen that this is one line I am taking, but if you want to make an hatch, then all the line should be polyline or close path. So I am taking the polyline and clicking the one path and going the other path like that, and just closing the all path. Here you can see the path are all our path are closed, and this is taking polyline, and only one line is considering. Same thing I will make on that. Okay, so this is also have made a one closed polyline. So now I can apply the hatch. So if you want to apply a hatch, you need to select the object and type H by your keyboard and just click the enter or space bar. Then you can see the hatch option has been come. So hatch, I want to make a hatch. I am giving this hatch to this wall and add select objects and seeing preview. Okay, seeing preview and giving OK. So you can see this hatch and this hatch are very much different. So I have already told you, if I want to match anything, then you need to apply the hatch button. Here is the match properties. So if I want to match something, I just click this match option, and I want to match these things to these things. Very easy, right? So this is the option for hatching, and I want to make this hatch also. You can see I'm applying the hatch at the object, preview and OK. Then I want to match with this to this. So you can save the work. It is very important. If you don't save your work, then the all work will be dull, or all work will be loss if you didn't save your work. So you can see this here. We have already made a line. This line we want to match with this line. So if you want to see, the all have been done with our walls and hatch and window. So by these tools you can make this floor plan by step by step and very easy. So you need to apply those tools for making a AutoCAD floor plan. You can use, I don't want to show the all plan by doing with me. You can do this by yourself, and if you want to need something or this floor plan, just email us on from our video description. Our team will help you to take this floor plan or making this floor plan, or any observations. I will help you, no problem. And just subscribe our video and channel, and like our video and share for others to learn something from this video. Thank you so much.